This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Note: the strut assemblies should always be renewed in pairs. Pull the bonnet release lever located on the passenger side kick panel. Lift the bonnet safety catch, raise the bonnet upwards and support it with the rod. To gain access to the strut upper mounting bolts in the engine compartment, remove the windscreen cowl panel before raising the vehicle. The wiper motor should be in the parked position before removing the arms. Mark the position of the blades on the glass with adhesive tape as a guide to refitting. Unclip the plastic cap and remove the nut underneath, securing the arm to the spindle. Remove both wiper arms, noting their locations, as different arms are fitted to the driver's and passenger's sides. If necessary, the arm can be carefully removed using a suitable puller. Prise out the plastic pin fasteners at each end, pull aside the rubber trim and remove the rubber sealing strip along the top edge of the panel. Remove the screws, then remove the windscreen cowl panel. Loosen the relevant front wheel bolts, then jack up the front of the car and support it on axle stands. Remove the front road wheels. Unclip the brake hose and the ABS wiring from the strut assembly. Unscrew the two nuts and remove the bolts, securing the base of the suspension strut to the top of the hub carrier. Discard these as new bolts and nuts will be required. Undo the nut securing the front anti-roll bar link rod to the strut. Counterhold the nut with an open-ended spanner on the link rod ball joint shank. Pull the hub carrier outward at the top to release it from the suspension strut. Have an assistant support the strut from underneath the wheel arch. Working in the engine compartment, unscrew the nut securing the upper mounting cap to the strut piston rod while counterholding the piston rod with a suitable Allen key. Lift off the upper mounting cap and withdraw the assembly from under the wheel arch. Manoeuvre the strut assembly into position under the wheel arch and locate the upper mounting cap over the strut piston. Refit the retaining nut and moderately tighten it at this stage. Final tightening of this nut is carried out with the car resting on its road wheels. Engage the lower end of the strut with the hub carrier, then fit the new securing bolts and nuts. Tighten the nuts to 115 Newton meters and then angle tighten them a further 45 degrees. Refit the anti-roll bar drop link to the strut. Tighten the nut to 50 Newton meters. Secure the brake hose and the ABS wiring to the bracket, along with any hose retaining clips. Refit the front road wheels. Lower the car to the ground. Tighten the road wheel bolts to 120 Newton meters. With the car resting on its road wheels, tighten the suspension strut upper mounting cap retaining nut to 50 Newton meters. Refit the windscreen cowl panel and mounting screws. Secure the rubber trim and plastic pin fasteners at the ends of the panel. Then fit the rubber sealing strip along the top edge of the panel. Refit the wiper arms onto their respective spindles, positioning the arms so that the blades align with the tape applied to the glass before removal. Install the nuts securing the wiper arms and tighten them securely. Then refit the plastic caps to the nuts.